We just got Silvio his baba. Say hi, Silvio. Can you wave?
Hi.
You are too cute, Silvio. You want to go watch Star Wars now? Let's go watch Star Wars. Come on, let's go watch Star Wars. You are not going the right way. Let's go watch Star Wars. Come on.
What?
Star Wars, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Papa.
Baba?
Upstairs.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
You can't take your baba upstairs.
Up.
No baba upstairs.
What?
Give me your baba if you want to go upstairs.
Oh.
Yeah? You want to go upstairs and play?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh, wait a second. Let me come. Alright, go ahead.
Yeah.
I got you.
Okay.
We have to be quiet because Sunny's sleeping, okay?
What?
Shh.
Sleeping.
Yeah, Sunny's sleeping. There we go. What do you want to do upstairs? Okay.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Hi.
Bowl?
Yeah.
Bowl?
Yeah. Whoa.
Geo's ball?
Yeah.
No, we roll in the house.
What?
Here, let's sit down and roll it to me. Good job.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Yeah. Good job, Silvio.
Yay.
Yeah. Roll it.
What?
Roll it. Good job.
One. Whoa.
Another ball.
Whoa.
You want to play?
Whoa.
Will this balance here? Maybe. Possibly. Yeah. Look at you.
Meow.
No. You don't want me to tickle you?
Meow. Oh. Show that.
Was that Geo's?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll set it over here for Geo. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meow.
You don't want me to put you down. Is that it?
No. No. Wow.
Bowl? You want to roll the ball?
Yeah.
The bowl?
Wow.
Bowl.
You.
It's okay. Can I see your arm?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Come here. Let me see your arm. Do we have a boo-boo?
Oh.
Come here. Do you have a boo-boo?
Yeah.
Come here. Well, excuse you. Where's your boo-boo? Is it right there?
Yeah.
Mwah. Does it feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, here's the bowl.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Come here, buddy. Come here.
No.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Come here, Silvio. Come here, let me see your arm.
Yeah.
No, I want to take your shirt off. Come here. Let me see your arm. Oh, you've got bug bites. Oh, you've got a lot of bug bites, honey. That's what you're itching. Okay. Here you go. You feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, come here. Let me put your shirt back on you.
What?
Ready? Ready? Get your arm in there.
What?
You gotta put your arm in. There we go. Come here. Tay. Tay. Uh-oh. Where's your arm? Where's your arm? There's your arm. Yay. Alright, what do you want to play? What do you want to play? You want to play Wii?
Yeah.
Honey, no, I don't think you're allowed to play Wii. Come here. You want to play ball? Look, I got a ball.
Hurry.
No, you can't play Wii, honey. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come here. I'm sorry. I know.
Baba.
You want Baba? Yeah, you want to go back downstairs with your Baba?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back downstairs with your Baba. Baba. Can you get the door?
Yeah.
You got it? Good job, Sylvia. Good job.
No.
Let's go. Let's go downstairs.
No.
I thought you want to go downstairs with your Baba. Let's go get your Baba. Tay. Tay. Here, wait a second. I gotta open the thing.
Oh.
Here we go. You hold my hand, remember? I'm coming. Oh, you gotta hold. Oh, what you doing? You sliding down? You're gonna hurt yourself that way, honey. Oh, big jump. Yay! Alright, you want your Baba? Alright, Baba's right here. Here's your Baba. We're gonna sit down and are we gonna sit down with your Baba and Bang Bang? Where's Bang Bang? Oh, is there Bang Bang here? Let's get your Baba. Bang Bang. Is Puppy over here too? Yeah? Here. Baba, Bang Bang, and Puppy. Here you go. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.